The Google Pixel series is known for its remarkable camera performance, vanilla Android experience, and budget-friendly smartphone that gets the job done for most people. Still, so far, the Google Pixel 6 has become the most anticipated phone Google has ever launched. In fact, Google has stepped up the game to make their phones even more consumer-oriented. Pixel 6 is also the phone with most leaks and prior launch information, which at this point feels like Google's plan to market their phones. The design with a bar-shaped camera bump was known, and we also knew the camera specifications, or I should say speculated hardware, but now thanks to leak of Google's new camera app, code revealed the camera software specifications of Pixel 6. And here are the upcoming software-based features of Google Pixel 6's camera. The first one is Magic Eraser. Suppose you've taken a group photo with an unwanted photobomber, or a cityscape shot that was almost perfect if it weren't for that one person in the shot. The Magic Eraser feature could be the solution you didn't know you needed. Thanks to AI-based image editing with the help of Tensor Chip, you can now remove subjects from an image with just a few taps. While this feature is not brand new, Google showcased the feature at their I/O event back in 2017. At the time, the example used was a fence that got in the way of someone taking a picture of their son at a baseball game. All with the magic of AI. Google has focused heavily on machine learning and AI with the Tensor Chip. So if the Pixel 6 can actually remove stuff like this without leaving any blurred patches, then this will rank among the best camera features of the handset. The second and very useful feature is face deblur, which is a common problem with mobile phone cameras when a picture of a person is in motion when it's taken. Pixel 6's solution to that is when you capture a photo, it will capture a photo from the main sensor with normal exposure, while also taking another photo with the ultra-wide lens using a much faster shutter speed. The Tensor Chip then processes the details from both cameras to de-blur the face. Next is motion blur, which will let you add creative blur effects to your photos. Then there's a wide-angle front camera. Pixel 6 Pro, not the Pixel 6, will have an ultra-wide-angle lens for the selfie camera. According to XDA, the selfie camera on the Pixel 6 Pro offers two predefined zoom levels, 1x and 0.7x for wide-angle shots. Another feature is zoom levels. Pixel 6 Pro will have 4x telephoto camera, and the photo zooming maxes out at 20x. As for recording video, all cameras on the Pixel 6 and Pro can record 4K videos. However, only the main camera can do the 4K at 60 FPS, while the other two cameras are capped at 4K at 30 FPS. Also, while recording the 4K 60 FPS, the maximum zoom level is 7x. Next, both the Pixel 6 will feature audio zoom, which is the ability to zoom in on a subject in order to enhance the sound coming from it in particular, while reducing background noise as much as possible. There is also Frequent Faces feature, which looks to be graduating to version 2.0, which should help the camera better focus in on faces that you regularly take photos of. Finally, there are these features called Scene Lock and NEMA Aesthetics. We don't exactly know what these features are, but we do hope to see them in the final version of the camera app when Pixel 6 releases. Until then, subscribe for more news and don't forget to like this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.